IVM.
कृपया ध्यान दीजिए, the language used on the podcast may not be fit for consumption. We warn you, tread carefully. But listen yaar, don't be so conservative. And let me tell you one thing about this show, ladies and gentlemen. One thing we can say, hand held high on heart and up above as well at the same time simultaneously, is that we start on time. We have a record of 62% correct time starting. 10 o'clock. Of course, that doesn't help other people who are probably listening to this later in life. But for me, that's the only thing that I want to hold myself accountable for. Start on time and then bugger all after that. Who cares? What is that famous statement? Like you get up early in the morning and then you must smile. So it takes the pressure off. Then you don't have to smile after that for the rest of the day. Okay, we're starting the show, but I want to, we have got Akash Mehta. It's Cock and Bull, by the way, today. And we're doing it in the morning for reasons I can't control. There's a place called Aram Nagar. No man should ever go there. I have to go there in the evening and I'm stuck. Akash is here, world's greatest comedian. Charges more than 60 lakhs just to make two jokes, one of which you won't understand. We've also got Silvery. Amit is missing in action. Just to tell everybody that, lay out our cards. And I want to quickly just add here, because this is something that boggles my mind a little bit. I think the government has to be held accountable. I'm getting nothing from our government, neither state nor center. I'm getting nothing back. I pay my taxes. I'm very respectful. I don't make any bad jokes. You can't put me in a Munawar Farooqi or Kunal Kamra position because I'm far more cowardly and well-mannered. But I'm getting nothing back. Now they're saying RT-PCR for parties, junior parties is necessary here in Mumbai. You have to get tested and to show it. Now, I don't have a problem with all that because I'm saying law should apply to all. That's always important. The same thing with people going through one way is my big pet peeve. It should apply to all. Catch them, shoot them, and fine everybody. But the RT-PCR, my point is, the government should come and help us from their side with being an egalitarian sort of laissez-faire situation. And that is, they pick up the tab. You can make us do the RT-PCR every day, but you pick up the tab. Why am I paying for my RT-PCR? And then if it's, a bad news, I'm paying double. I'm irritated because I paid for it, plus it's bad news and all that comes after that. So here's my humble request. Government, you have to do something. Otherwise, what are you doing? You're doing nothing. I'm doing everything. So I think we should be given free RT-PCRs. You can do as many tests as you want. You can test us in the beginning, in the middle. You can do alcohol tests. You can throw that in also. And everything is fair game for me as long as you pick up the tab. Now, having said my piece, I will keep quiet for the remainder of the hour.
Are you looking for finance products and services that can enhance your personal finance experience? Are you looking for a space to talk about your financial product or service? And are you looking for a crisp talk show where the conversation is all about money? Well, your search ends here. Hi. My name is Anupam Gupta and I'm host of the Paisa Vaisa podcast, and I invite you for the conversation about your personal finance on each Monday on the IVM podcast app or the website or on any podcast streaming platforms. See you folks.
And welcome Akash. Oh, not
Hey.
Akash Mehta. Akash Vani, nobody listens to except me for some reason. Silverman.
I listen to Akashvani.
And just to tell you, it's live. And you know it's live. What's the score in Adelaide in the day night? Since you have a TV and I don't.
I'm just reopening the thing to open. Today I thought
You
for once.
should never have closed it. This show doesn't deserve that kind of respect.
For once I thought ki today I will not watch the match because last time I came on this also I was watching the match on the side.
If I have a memory, I think the great Brisbane Gabbatoir thing, we did, we watched that together. I mean, we were on the show
Yeah.
together when that was
Yeah.
going on, which is almost
yeah.
like illegal. India winning one of their greatest victories and we are doing a stupid podcast. And no one
Oh, it's gone. Sorry.
Gone?
It's gone. Yeah. Broad gets Harris, Australia 1-for-4 after 7.4.
1-for-4. The match has just
7.3.
started. But keep in mind, batting fourth and also batting in nighttime conditions, Silvery. The pink balls, they say, swings a lot after the tea break. You yourself can
Well, I
call
know.
me up
Yeah, you don't have to tell
sweating.
me. Yeah.
Silvery called this match England Australia. I was like, bro, it's called the Ashes. There's a whole thing. How do you
Man.
not know?
So I don't think he really cares about the fact that Broad wasn't played in the first test match. And maybe that was a huge mistake. And now as he gets an opening batsman earlier on, you're thinking, why not?
Wait, what? Broad only got the second test match? What jokes,
God
man.
damn it.
He got played. He got
You know,
robbed.
Broad is not jargon for a woman. Huh? Please don't use that as disgusting.
Okay.
Firstly.
That
It's
okay.
sexist.
not
We don't
that.
use the word broad anymore.
You are dirty.
Your father and me, we come from a generation where we did, but now we don't. It's not allowed. Akash ji, kem cho? Badhu chale?
First class.
The vehicle is
great.
in the garage.
Oh, things are going well, man. Putting out an album, put out a single right now, first time. going on tour, going to Ahmedabad, Baroda, Hyderabad, Bangalore, and all. So life is good, man. I've been between the waves. I feel like a surfer, just going out and doing shows while things are still stable.
What is the single? What is the song that you put out?
So I put out a serious album, like not like a comedy album, like a singer-songwriter endeavor.
Never say that. It could become a comedy album.
Well,
you should never put a thing. Because for me, I don't know what I put out. Put out sounds horrible. And we go on.
So yeah, it's and the first single is out. It's called Love of You. It's on all of your
Love.
preferred.
It's
Love
Arey?
of You.
Love of you. I thought you said
Yeah.
off you as in F-U. For a minute, I thought you were abusing me. Love of you. You have you. I was just scared, taken aback.
You bloody you.
Yeah, Australians from the old days, sledging away. Yeah. Mr. Silvery. Oh, Mr.
Yeah.
Silvery. Pyare.
Yeah,
you
yes,
know
sir.
anything about his album and his single?
I do not. I don't know how I missed this. Is this video out already?
I wonder how that works,
The-
Akash. That you have this other side to you where you're slightly more. Well, actually, even the comedy is a little bit more poignant. And you spoke of initially the whole thing was about getting through mental issues and depressions and
Yeah.
all that. So there's a depth to your art form, and obviously there's a need to explore that depth. Silvery, I on
Yes,
the other
sir.
hand, not that deeper. I'm just warning my listeners. There ain't no depth here. That's why we have Akash on the show.
Saris, have you ever been in a music video, by the way?
I might have been. I can't remember now anymore. I've got dementia. I think. It's not impossible because if I say no and then you found something, I look like an idiot. And in the old MTV days, sometimes we just went to work like government employees and what we were doing. Honestly, I'm not lying. So I'm not 100%
Okay.
sure I didn't. I don't have a proper memory. But and we interviewed when the video had its heyday in the 90s, early 2000s. We interviewed every Indian who made a music video. And believe me, there were plenty of them. So I have no memory. Why? Have you done one?
Music video, no.
The what video? Porn
No,
video?
I
What are you going to talk about? Animal video?
I mean, just
Cleanliness
ads.
video? Oh.
Ads with music in the background.
Ah.
That's all.
Okay, that's I've done that too. So is he. Akash has done plenty of that. Well, Akash, just quickly, then we'll get into the topic. So, what is this damn album? What is the?
Oh man. So is this better? By the way, is my voice changed now? Because it'll just.
Is it possible for you to go to
It's
the
too
other
low.
room and use this mic from this room
Okay.
because it's really loud right now? Okay,
I
the
hope this
album,
is
the
better.
album.
If it's not, there's not much I can do. The album is it's 8 songs. It's called Water Life. It comes
Stop.
out.
Forget about the album.
Huh?
Let's just do a mic check. That'll be half the show. I believe they deserve a mic check on live. So just 15 minutes of
Yeah.
yes, check, 1, 2. You get into the English accent and all the non-English speaking people who run the mic systems do across India. Hello, Jack.
It's just it's just a issue with the it's just an issue with the sampling rate, guys. For those of you who are audio engineers, out there.
Akash needs to laugh for us to test. Akash, they want to hear your laugh, your unique, your real laugh. How to make you laugh? Sylvie, do you have a good joke? Oh, sorry. Do you have a joke?
Not.
not since 2018.
Okay. Bro. I'm sorry to
Hmm.
interrupt you 100 times. What is the album? Bol.
The album is called Water Life. It's like a journal of sorts of songs that I've written.
So just 2 minutes on this without taking away from anything. But I'm
Yeah.
very intrigued by the fact that a lot of comedians we feel the need to always be funny, etc., etc. But you're very open to
Yeah.
all the different avatars, not avatars, the right word, the different facets to your personality. So is there pressure for you like that? That I'm Akash, I'm the
No,
comedian,
man.
this is what I'm famous for.
It's
and
just
then
like
suddenly you
it's about being
other
a whole
direction.
person, right? It's about being a
that's
whole person.
WHOLE, yeah. Silver is getting excited. W.
Yeah, it's just if nobody's like right now we live in a very binary time. You're supposed to be this or that, right? Like, and I feel like that's such a waste of a life.
Yeah, true. I think it's damn
and-
cool. The fact that you're just switching tuck like that,
Yeah, I mean it's a privilege, right? It's a real privilege, dude. Because when you do comedy for 10 years now, so there is already like a public standing. There's enough money that's coming into my life for me to afford all of these expensive hobbies. Making an album is a very expensive hobby. There's no recovery as such. So yeah, I feel very lucky.
No,
that
whether
way.
you like it or not, your stories that you spin and the stuff you do always has that layer because you're always coming back to your own life and what you're going through, etc., etc. So in
course,
that sense,
yeah.
you're one of those guys who's always giving us a little bit more. It's like Charlie Chaplin-esque. I can't think of other references because of my age, but you know what I mean. It's got
Oh,
that.
wow, that's a big
yeah.
compliment, man. Thank you.
It is. I would think it is because it's not just about ha ha. It's about ha ha in spite of what's going on inside.
Yeah, it's a ha ha.
Is it a ha ha? I thought it was more like ha ha. Okay, I just want to focus a little bit on that album for a second properly. So
Yeah.
you are talking about inner issues. Like, can you give us a little bit of what the
Well, okay. So
prose is
the
like in the
first
music?
single, I can tell you about the first single. Antriksh, I was going to call you Silvery for some reason. Antriksh, the link is in the chat here. You can put it in the main chat if you like. It's called Love of You. The idea is about love and how, like, love, I feel, is, usually people assume it's like it's been traded in with possession, like nowadays. It's all about possessing the one you love. If you listen to Hindi songs, last fucking 4 years, Arijit is crying about a breakup that never happened only. So like the idea was to talk about, yeah, man, this whole generation of kids
Stop.
crying over heartbreak
Let's
without
discuss
falling
that.
in love.
What the hell kind of lyrics would that be? Huh? He's in dard, pain, all these words, but there's no
Yeah.
breakup. The
भाई
fuck?
2.5 साल से वो दर्द में ही है. मतलब मेरे लग रहा है पूरा बॉलीवुड
Arijit,
कोई
you
तो सदमे
cheat!
में.
How dare you? How dare you? In the words of Arnab Goswami, this is wrong. This is against our culture. Man,
Yeah, so
so you've decided someone has to have real angst and real pain and then speak about it, not this divorce pain which doesn't exist, but there's pain. Go on, sorry.
yeah. So it's just that, like, I feel like love doesn't need to have the other person in your pocket. You know what I mean? Like, you can love somebody and just love them and let them live their life. And loving someone is just a great way
Like
to.
me and Priyanka Chopra.
Yeah, exactly. Like it's like, my love for Disha Patni has made me a better person.
Such better
No.
references, na Silvery. Bang on, and look
Yeah,
at me.
Modern.
Priyanka Chopra won the Miss World, which we should discuss, the Miss Universe or whatever, in 2001. Huh? Bolo.
Yeah, so it's just that. It's just the idea is of this song, at least, is you can love someone, and loving someone helps you be a better person and a whole person. And so the line is
So Akash is going to reveal to us the girl
Huh?
that got away or something.
no. This one is not written with a specific girl in mind. More the sentiment of love. But I mean, the hook of the song is also, I believe I have finally found a part in every heart that's full of jealousy, free of jealousy and greed. So like, I feel like there's a part in that of you in there, and you can find it if you just give into love as opposed to trying to possess the person you love or whatever. So it's just that. It's very feel good. It's ridiculously cynical and happy, which I'm not.
Silvery, just take a note
Yeah.
now. Remind me not to call Akash back on the show. Yeah, I think he's a little too profound for our listeners and what we're trying to do here. I'm already feeling disgusted. I'm like, boy, kya karega iske saath? He's gone to
we
some
will
other
do dick
level.
jokes.
Let's get Arijit. Arijit seems to be more rustic, man of the soil that we can relate to. A man who feels no pain, but there's pain. Yeah, okay.
Oh wow! Chat is saying you interviewed Priyanka Chopra right after the Miss World.
You hear that one? Asli Dard is in Kumar Sanu's voice. Okay, sorry. Priyanka Chopra. No, we did the Miss India. For 3 years, I did the Miss India where I was the assistant anchor. Rahul Khanna and Malaika were on stage, and I was in the audience and backstage. They had that concept and all. So it was great
Yeah.
fun. With there were 25 women, and all the people were pretty and good looking around them as well. And they were all trying to, chamcha us because they thought we could
Yeah.
help them win or something. So you won't believe how nice they were, and post winning how not nice they were, because it just changed completely after that. Having said that, they were quite nice. They still are. Priyanka.
It's when
And
you
her
work
accent was
around
real, huh?
attractive-
Akash.
Hmm.
She was 17 or 18 with a real American accent, because I remember her twang. It was proper. Of course, it's
Yeah.
become even more now, but she had spent 2 or 3 years in America and all that. And
Yeah.
I remember her telling me a story about mud wrestling, and I was getting so aroused. I was like, what? What are we talking about?
By the way, I know Amit isn't here. Would you like me to do the accent just in case you are feeling?
Yes.
that
Yes.
is-
Yeah.
And
You
you
already
know,
have
Amit-
his voice a little bit. Yeah.
Would you like me to do an American accent? I can sort of try it out. I don't know if I can pull it off completely.
Yeah,
but-
yeah, and talk softly like he does. Yeah, correct. Yeah, the
You know-
gravitas is in his voice
Well,
because of the delivery.
Cyrus,
Yeah.
something has to be said about working around really attractive people. I feel like
Yeah.
there's a sort of
Great, man.
positive work environment when
You're
you have
pissing off
attractive
Silvery.
people.
It's too good.
Yeah.
Yeah,
No, it's great,
Silvery,
yeah.
what the hell? You're the accent king here. I need you to reply in your North of England way. Let's start the Jugalbandi now, ladies and gentlemen. Strap on your seatbelts. It's America versus Yorkshire in the battle of the finest.
Hey,
Silvery-
Akash,
Ratika's already
what is
screaming.
happening?
This is
Song
why
is
he
the
writes
worst.
songs. No, this is why songs of pain are written. It's just he sounds like the other Gujarati comedian. No, stop there. Move on. Yeah. This is not our area, not our niche. Sorry. So that's the album. The album is out. Love for you. Love of
Love
you.
Akash,
of
how
You
you-
is out.
How you composing
Yeah.
the music? Like, have you always been composing music, or did you
Uh,
partner
I've
with someone
always
else?
been I've always been writing songs, but like it was nice to have a like. I mean, my friend Shashwat, who's also a musician, produced it. So he really kind of showed me the way in
Sil-
terms of arrangements.
Silvery, he's also during the first pandemic also been going back to his 500-acre farm in
Yeah.
Vapi, and
500 acre.
and oh, he sent me mangoes. Thank you so much. Obviously, it's a big farm.
Yeah.
But the thing is, though, he did tell us we didn't take it seriously when he said that we're trying to write songs and all that. We thought he was just fooling around and that's just something we didn't react
Yeah.
much to it. I'm thinking now we didn't realize he's
Yeah.
like it's a proper thing that he does and serious thing and he invests in it and then he has a full album to show,
Yeah.
which now makes my life even more meaningless.
Is the plan to start touring as a musician as well?
No, fuck off. No, never.
But that's a damn interesting point because would the same Akash Mehta fan want that? I don't know. That may not
I
happen
doubt
because
it.
there's almost like two different side personalities coming to watch you if you were singing songs of, I mean, it's just totally different you. It's almost like two Akashes.
Yeah.
So
Yeah.
maybe it
I
doesn't.
think actually it would work because I think, especially nowadays, people fall in love with personalities more
Hmm.
than what the content is, right? So if people like you, which already people do, I'm sure they will be more than happy to come and watch you
So you're
perform
saying if he
live.
starts singing here and there towards the end of the
Yeah,
one-hour performance, and then he
yeah,
goes
that's
into
a great
that
way to
other
build
side, and then the
Yeah.
audience come to laugh will also, but that'd be fantastic if you can get the audience to go from one emotion to another.
Veer Das is a very popular musician as well with his band, right?
Yeah, he's a fabulous talent, that
Yeah.
guy.
Yeah,
Yeah.
but
What does he do?
why? See, Cyrus, there are two Veerdases.
Well played, sir. Well played. But I think it's a little too much when he's on the run in America. Somebody said, he's on the run. I don't think he's really on the run. I think he's very much got his flat in Bandra and he can
He's,
come and go.
he's,
And
he's
let's not
editing
overdo
his
it.
special, dude.
Yeah, there you go. Yeah. So there's no wanted by Indian police or something like that. Can't come back home.
Yeah.
That's all fine. There's only one comedian who I'm worried about in that case, whose name we will not mention, who may have retired, but apparently he hasn't. Right,
Yeah.
Silvery? And we can't get him on the show for some reason. Why won't he come on our show? Nobody listens to our show. He's safe.
Correct. We tried contacting him, but apparently he's just not doing interviews and trying to lay low as far as possible. Is the word that has gone back to me.
Nobody wants to ask him about plants or the environment. The problem is that he has to answer the same question.
Yeah, that's also
There's
the thing.
no
No,
way
he'll
out.
ask. Yeah, that's
You
true.
tell him,
I get
will you discuss Miss Indias of since 2000? Why? Because because by the way,
Yeah.
we won a Miss Universe. Nobody's talking about that. What happened? It should be big news.
Ooh,
Yeah.
we won a
That's
Miss
true.
Universe.
After 20
Yeah.
years,
Yeah.
last was Lara Datta, Miss Universe, if I remember
And
correctly.
who
Or
won
Sushmita,
now?
one of the two. That's the thing. My mom is the only one who was excited. She told me we won Miss Universe. I said, should we put it on our TV show? But I can't figure out who the lady is. Now, both of you watch the Ashes, you find out who the lady is. Akash, what's the score?
Harnaz Sandhu. The
Sandhu.
score is
Sandhu.
1 for 11 after 9.4.
Wow, that's how much
Labuschagne.
Harna scored. That's a great score. Yeah.
No, he's giving me the cricket, you idiot.
I know. I'm
Now I'm
joking.
going to write my music album.
Yeah.
Right now, I'm starting my music album. Huh.
Yeah. So yeah, 1 for 11 after 10.
So, England on top.
Labuschagne is 6 of 7. And knowing Labuschagne, he'll get a half century. यार ये आदमी को शर्म ही नहीं है यार जब देखो 50 रन मार के चला जाता है कुछ मतलब
Yeah, but the actual pronunciation is Labu Khagne, no? Of French
Labus
descent, and that whole
Khagne.
South African group that lives there with the same surname. That they make so much fun on that. You've seen that Professor and Barney show and all that. Make so
Yeah,
much
yeah.
fun of his name. Yeah. And Steve Waugh, when giving him the cap, Akash, now that you bring it up, you've got to see this video. He gives him the cap in India for playing his first one-day game, and he calls him Marcus. Forget the surname. He gets Manus wrong. And then somebody corrects him. And then somebody in the back says, that's the easier part of his name, Manus. You don't even want to go to the second one. Oops.
But it's quite interesting to me that this guy just came and, out of the blue became one of the best test top order batsmen in the world.
Yeah,
He wasn't even that great in county that he is here.
No, he just took to test cricket. Some people just do that. Now, what can you say? Look at Gavaskar.
Yeah.
He started off with a fabulous Azharuddin. And by the way, they are fighting at the moment, Azhar and Gavaskar. Azhar has made some comments over Rohit Sharma fighting with Virat Kohli. And so Gavaskar saying, if you have proof, come and tell us what the real thing is. Don't do innuendo. So cricket is falling apart. Jadeja says he may retire. Nobody knows what's going on there. KL Rahul may captain. Will Virat Kohli, if he goes back and continues to play the white ball, he's saying that he's not coming home. So if he's playing white ball, then wouldn't he be the captain in place of Rohit Sharma again? No, he stepped down, so it's over. That's it. Oh, Cricket
Yeah,
is
it's
Wow.
all
a funny game.
it's messy.
Funny game. Priyank
It's all
Panchal,
messy.
how are you? Finally, one more Manas. You'll be proud to know.
Yeah, I don't know if Priyank Panchal will
won't get in.
deliver or he won't get to play only. But
You
even
won't
if
get
he
into
were,
11 because
yeah,
Rahane is waiting to get in first. So it's difficult. Don't bite your nails,
yeah.
Silvery.
I'm very sorry. I have to open the door. Give me
No,
one second.
you can't do it in the middle of this show. Are you crazy? Oh my God. This is the most action we've ever had on the show. You know, the guest just leaving and we're left with the
Yeah.
mic. It's poignant. Talk about his albums, it's just so poignant and heartwarming and all that.
It almost looks like like the guest got pissed and walked away.
Yeah.
Like, I'm not doing this interview.
Yeah,
Just
yeah.
get lost.
We should end the show
This
here.
God.
Hey guys, should we cut it?
Yeah.
It'd be great. We end the show here. We just blame him. Controversial comic Akash Mehta walks off
Yeah.
because he was
Walks
asked to
off.
pronounce Labu Shahne's name. Okay.
Yeah.
10:21. Brother, what
Cyrus,
are you doing?
Your rant today was very on
You
point.
want to talk about that?
Yeah, the RT-PCR test. Yeah, the government should be paying for it. No,
I was
why
speaking
are
to a
we paying
guy
for it?
organizing he's organizing a party, okay, no, like private party, no money involved in that sense. But he's saying
Yeah.
now, I'm going through all this expense and all these other problems, but the guests don't want to come now. I don't know how, please understand the
Is this for the 31st? Is this for 31st?
so a biggish party if you try to organize of any kind. I suppose a private party will get away, 10 guys or whatever. 10 guys is my party, but normally 5 guys, 5 girls. but Akash, so just think of a guy who's trying to have like 70, 80 people or whatever they allow, and then last minute people are changing their mind because of the inconvenience of the RT-PCR, and then what some joker, Mr. Deepak is sitting there and saying, no, she hasn't got a RT-PCR, don't let her in. All that shit will happen. It's just, just think
Yeah.
of where it'll go. So,
Yeah, and knowing India, people will just make fake this thing.
and then there's a fake
Yeah.
one. Then there's the
Absolutely.
anal guy who will drive you mad saying they would check everyone. Then there's the other
So-
guy who won't do it and say bindas. Just think of all the factors.
But this is very frustrating as somebody who travels as well. Like I was on tour right now, and I went to
And you're not
I
clear.
think I was in Guwahati or something. I went, and then
So something
Maharashtra.
you went, you should know where you went.
I was either in
Please.
Dehradun or in Shillong or in Guwahati, one of the three when this happened. I was in Dehradun when this
How
happened
much are
first.
you smoking? They're far away from each other.
Yeah, but
one is going west, one is going east. What is going on?
But he's constantly touring, right?
but I'm constantly on the road.
Is he drunk all the time? मैं तो अभी उठ गया शिलोंग में, I think.
On the tour, so I tried to be not
Okay,
sober.
okay.
But
So what happened?
so first Maharashtra government issues a notification saying coming into Maharashtra you need a negative RT-PCR test.
Same thing for us
Okay.
from Jaipur. Yeah.
Now you're like, okay, chalo, I will plan the RT-PCR test on the tour some point so that I have it before I get into Bombay. I'm at Kolkata airport, I get the test. I have gotten the test rather.
Which is fairly inconvenient, Akash, when you're doing a whistle stop tour. Because you're going to find a bugger, you have to come
Very.
to the location where you are. You may have to pay top dollar sometimes. Because मेरे को 4 घंटा में चाहिए, all this nonsense. No, they don't come home. It's not.
And they don't come home. You have to find a clinic, yeah. So
Correct.
invariably,
Once you leave Mumbai, Delhi, these things change.
yeah, now at
100%.
Kolkata
Then-
airport, there's a lady in front of me in line, and she's the guy at the counter is telling her, you need to have a negative RT-PCR test. She's like, no, you don't. Only vaccine is enough. So I'm like, I'm standing behind her. I'm like, ma'am, you definitely need a negative RT-PCR. She's like, this is the problem with you Indians. I'm like, ma'am, you have an Indian passport. Like you're standing next to.
I love this woman.
And she's like, you guys don't read the notifications. You want to be double.
No, but don't blame her, Akash. It's all up and down all the time. How can you stay abreast like this? It got cancelled on the morning I left for Jaipur, 4th of December. It got cancelled that morning. So people in the gym at 6:30 in the morning are telling me, no, you don't need the RT-PCR. I have a leading
Yeah.
lawyer who works out with me.
Yeah.
And he's like, I was like, one minute now. So forget it. I'm not taking a chance. RT-PCR ho gaya. We are carrying it with
Yeah.
us, and that was it. They didn't look at it. But on the way back, they wanted it. No, I don't know, man.
Now, like Googled it to find out, and the Google ka news is the fucking 6-day-old news only.
No.
Yeah, and there's no way. There's no way of knowing. There's
No.
no clear portal of communication only.
Look for yourself. I'm saying you're dealing with one bureaucrat, not bureaucrat, what employee who's standing there. That guy is making the decision, not Mrs. Sharma in front of you who's venting or you yourself. What can you do? That person has got his own. So you have to. I'm saying you're dealing with that guy. Forget later on, or 2 hours later, you call people and you get it sorted out. But your life just hangs by a thread. It's pointless.
Yeah.
It's very irritating. This whole thing is just because they keep changing the rules, and can I tell you? I don't know if it happened to you when they are checking our double vaccine. Also, they just look at it from far. They don't even check anything here. I'm
Yeah,
thinking it's a
yeah.
joke. They've not seen my name. They've not seen anything. They never see anything. They're just looking at there's a picture of a famous man. They see the famous man's picture and they move on.
Yeah.
There's no way they read the name. I discussed this with Silvery and Amit. There's no way. We're all in a line. So many passengers, tuck, they're going to for speed and efficiency. They're letting us go. There's no real
Yeah.
verification.
Did you get the universal pass?
Sleepy Sidran has a great comment. He's saying, Arey, why can't they be satisfied with the Arogya Setu app? It says you're safe, not enough. Are you guys still using this Arogya Setu app? I don't think I've opened
Yeah,
my...
you need
No,
it.
no, Yeah,
need
Silvery,
it.
you haven't been traveling. Okay, you haven't
I've been
traveled, I
traveling.
think.
Okay,
Okay, if you've been traveling throughout the two pandemics, are so nervous. And I've also gone outside India. So the
everything.
problem, my
Yeah.
fear is I have no idea what any government is going to say. So you keep the Arogya, you keep it as a safety. You keep a RT-PCR as a safety. You're wasting your money doing it because sometimes it's not required.
Absolutely.
You have to have the double vaccine. There's no question. From Bombay to Bangkok, you need it. So you put
Right.
everything and you go, and then you're feeling anxiety all the time because you're worried कि मैंने क्या नहीं किया. मैंने क्या नहीं किया. You only find out last
Totally
minute.
right.
Yeah, that's what. So they are not trying to help us with what I think. Just be clear. Like Aadhaar card was supposed to be a one card for everything. Let it be one thing. If the double vaccine is done, the double vaccine should be the key. I think that's the key. What's the point of all this here? Because anyway, they dated to whenever they dated, you can still get COVID or not have COVID or whatever because it can happen at any point. It's not like you're doing the RT-PCR test in 5 minutes and entering.
Yeah.
So anyway, I want them to pay for it because they were demanding more and more. Like when we gonna set, the company pays for it. We go for an event, the company pays for it. We do anything else, but for pleasure, they should pay for it. Otherwise, we should. The RT-PCR test, they want to test all the time. They pay for it. I don't want to pay for it. I want the government to pay for it.
Correct. No, absolutely. The government should pay for it because if they're making you do it again and again and again
So
and
then
again.
on a daily basis, test, it's too much. It's too much.
Yeah.
Or the test should be an oral test. Do you have COVID? No. Done. You passed the
No,
test.
it's the same.
Simple.
It's the same with the mask. Like see, now they wanted everyone to wear mask. That surgical mask thing, N95 mask was costing some fucking 100 plus rupees at that point, if you remember.
I refuse to pay.
Then finally they reduced it to some 28 rupees. Okay, now 28 rupees is only at the chemist. If you're at the airport and your mask is fucked, it's gonna still cost you 200 bucks. Firstly, yeah. Now this cloth wala fucking mask is not the safest mask, and now
Unwashed, 3 months.
right there you go.
Congrats, Cyrus.
That's my point.
31st will be 3 months.
That's my point.
Look, these are all gestures and tokenism. After some time, I've just lost interest. Okay, my
Yeah.
only point is that why aren't we trying to make travel more efficient? Why especially in India with red tape? I don't know what other countries are doing, but in India with red tape, there's no end to it because we have been bitten so many times that we have such fear in our heads. Trust me,
Yeah.
honestly, Akash, when you're traveling, you're not worried about your set, you're not worried about your bloody audience, you're not worried about your marketing.
It's
You're
all
more worried about
logistics.
Yeah, logistics. We are reduced to logistical nightmares all the time. So what's the point of life
Yeah.
then? Yeah, you can't even think about your real life because you're only worried
Yeah.
about this part of life. And by the way, he finishes the show. He has to worry about going back. Then it's not like it ended. Post show,
Yeah.
sit down, have a drink with the lads, and all that. All balls. After
None of
that,
that.
now get RT-PCR for going back, bro. Come on, man. It's too much.
Dude, and weird things are already going wrong now. Like in the Guwahati show, the guy sold the tickets but forgot the chairs, man.
Wow.
So like, now you want me to also worry about
You are challenging your audience. You are challenging your audience. I respect you, but we missed a nice Bigfoot ka comment. Can you replay it, bro? It just passed. Going to India, Singapore Airlines has sent me 4 to 5 travel advisory changes. Update in 1 week, and get this because of India rule changes.
yeah.
Again, they are bureaucratic enough, but then on top of that, we change every 12 hours and we change according to which city, etc., etc. It's just too much. It's
Yeah.
not uniform enough. So this
Yep.
guy's going nuts. I just think it's just too much stress, man. Just too much stress. Already got this issue. Why are you stressing us all the time? How about de-stressing the public? I was thinking that way, and the way to do that is make it simple and uniform. So my mother can travel in peace, and I don't have to think about an old lady going, for example, if one of your parents have to go on their own outside India or something like Amit's mom went last year. I mean, these things are not nightmares for you. You'll be so worried that you'll have to pay money to go and drop her, for example.
Yeah.
I mean, it shouldn't be that. It should be, what's the country doing for us? Country has to do more for us. I'm not happy. I may leave. I haven't decided. No other country is willing to accept. Plus, they'll ask for RT-PCR, which I can't afford, so forget it. But Silvery, talk to the country, na, Baba? You're closer.
Yeah. Guys, cancel RT-PCR test, please. Okay, it's done now, Cyrus. They won't. they won't ask for it again.
They'll give us another test to do. Already, I was thinking in any case, there's going to be a patriotism test that will come in at some point. Sing Vande Mataram at any point. Stop you in the middle of the road. Sing Vande Mataram. Okay. Second verse to mar jayega tu. I'm telling you right now, there's only less. This is the biggest minority in India that doesn't know. Nobody knows this. Does RT-PCR test come with the...
PM's.
I'm not reading all these comments. I
Okay.
cannot read these comments.
Yeah, cut that.
And Silvery, you have no guts, and Akash quietly, all his dard goes into his music. He's not going to comment on it. That's where we stand. Please refer to Munawar Farooqi, circa 2021, February. Shall we take a quick break, bro?
Yes, absolutely.
Hey everybody, it's been another great week on the IVM Podcast Network. On Advertising is Dead, Varun Dugirala talks to Divyanshu Damani, co-founder and CEO at Tag Mango. The two discuss how content creators can monetize their content going beyond the traditional ads and brand deals. On The Habit Coach, Ashton is in conversation with Ashna Modi, clinical psychologist at ASA Wellness. They discuss the habit of deservability and gratitude. On Probation Se Promotion Tak, host Abhinav talks about business networking and teaches us how to enhance those networking skills. On The Longest Constitution, Priya gives us a peek into the history of caste-based discrimination and how our constitution is committed to overcoming that. And on The Musafir Stories, the hosts are joined by author and poet Mihir Vatsa. They discover the plateau town of Hazaribagh. Do follow us on social media. We're IVM Podcast on Twitter, Facebook, Instagram, and LinkedIn. And also do check out our YouTube channels. We have a number of them. You can get them on ivmpodcast.com/YouTube. And remember, if you're enjoying this show, or any of our other shows for that matter, please do tell a friend. It really does help us spread the word. And finally, we'd like to thank our sponsors for the network this week, Cred, Bank of Baroda, CoinSwitch, Kuber, Intel, and Oxfam India. Thank you so much for making this possible.
By the way, what is wrong with the Congress? They're trying to disassociate from TMC, where she's like
Yeah.
the rising glory of India.
Yeah.
If there's anyone to take on the present government,
Is she?
Did you guys see Swara Bhaskar's speech at Mamata
who's got a
Banerjee's?
dynamic sort of personality? Give me the second person in opposition. If there was someone who can have the kind of powerful person, India needs personalities, whether it's film stars or whatever. It's not the
Yeah,
substance. That's why certain comedians still make money, with no depth, but we have personality. You just push that. So I personally believe Mamata has the personality to take on any male politician in India and wipe them off the floor. Congress, who's anyway depleted, are now, trying to, if they're going to have a unified opposition, there's a chance. If they don't have unified opposition, BJP will blow them out of the water, even with pandemic.
Always. But I feel like, all the political parties are waiting for UP elections to get done, because if BJP wins in UP, there's
That's
no
a
point
huge-
anyway.
That's a
Yeah,
huge
there's
point.
no point
Yeah.
in fighting them anyway. So I think they're all they're hanging. But one thing I'll tell you, Cyrus, that I am happy about, after never, ever have I felt this comfortable making jokes on political leaders that I have now. Not from the ruling party, but everybody else. Because everybody else now, to look good in front of the ruling party, they have to take
Wow.
the joke.
You're right.
Yeah,
Wow,
true.
that's
Fabulous
smart.
point.
Very smart.
Fabulous
Yeah.
point. Till they become the ruling party, then you have to switch, on that
Yeah.
very moment as the swearing in happens. But
Yeah.
yeah, it's true. But just thinking, I don't understand how this opposition has not figured out that the BJP has done a fantastic job, whether you like it or not, in winning votes across the country. They've lost the election like Bengal for sure, but they're still the only vehicle of power as a single unit. So if you want to challenge them and you decide that the only way is united we stand, how can you not get the main forces don't unite? There's no point. There's no contest that's going to come out of it. So I'm saying there's no, the philosophy is just completely wrong.
Yeah.
If they can't come to the table, they might as well just resign. There's no point. They're not going to forget UP. They won't win Pondicherry elections. With due respect, lovely place. I've been there. I speak French, French, Tamil, Creole. I don't really, but I just...
You speak French, Tamil, Creole?
I was in a lift in Pondicherry once and I had no idea about the culture really. The MTV used to make us go for whistle stop tours all the time. And then suddenly these two pretty ladies are talking in this mixed hybrid language. So I could pick up, can pick up the language, but not what they're saying exactly.
Yeah.
I was fascinated. I mean, wow. And then I realized there's this whole hybrid. It's a fascinating country, this country of ours. The subcultures that exist and who they are now. They're very different from you, but at the same time, they look like you, etc. So, just amazing.
Yeah.
How do we go there? We're talking about bringing down governments and all that. Yeah, but I agree with you. UP is, if UP doesn't happen, I mean, there's no chance really after that. There'll be 4 or 5 regional powers in 4 or 5 states. And I don't know, but the Congress, Akash, why didn't you take over the Congress here? They need leadership.
Sidhu Moosewala is there now. He'll take care of it now. They don't need me. They have a rapper.
But we don't know where he'll be in January. He's a moving...
Punjabi rapper, bro.
I can't sit still, yeah.
He might move to Canada.
Yes. Rule from there.
यार देखो highlight की बात है.
We have a lot of
Sorry,
comments asking what's wrong with Akash's voice.
Oh yeah, okay, guys.
What's wrong?
We have changed our. I've changed.
But
my
that's not
voice.
wrong. That's not what's wrong. That's loving Akash's voice is totally different. Your context is a fall. Yeah. So
Everyone else is saying, what is wrong with Akash's voice? Why is Akash's
So
voice
I'm
so different?
changing identities. I'm becoming Smooth Rider Akash Mehta.
Yeah.
Smooth Rider Akash Mehta, your late night radio show host. How's it
Wow,
going?
that's a great. Wow,
it's
that's a
lovely.
great
Your
voice.
voice
That's
is
lovely.
almost like you're
Very
doing
well.
oral stuff
Yeah.
at the same time. It gives
That's
that
a lot
little
of dick.
flexibility to the...
So, a lot of
Okay,
dick.
leave it there, bro. My vegetarian wine is a very Jain show. Please understand. All our sponsors are Jain.
When
Amit
was
Doshi
this
is
a
Jain.
giant show? Things have
What?
changed.
What the hell? You metas, you don't understand what it's like, yaar. So what is the change in the voice anyway? But what do you think? Just the early
So
morning.
I'll tell you what it is. It is the sample rate on the different sound cards attached not working with StreamYard. This doesn't happen anywhere else. This only is happening with StreamYard, the software we use to do
That's
the
weird.
cock and bull. Yeah,
Okay.
it's a thing.
Oh, it's really irritating because everybody likes your voice. Our voice they hear every day and nobody ever said anything
Yeah.
nice. It's been months, years. Not a word has come out. Look at this. One of them, I'm in love with his voice. His voice is so good. Where did he
Dude,
get his voice
yeah.
from? Sounds like Manan
Man.
Desai. Yes.
What if people start asking for this voice now, Akash? Akash, wo wali voice karo.
This is usually how. So this is a glitch that usually when Prakash is doing the show, he likes to use it for dark. He uses this to put his down a
Prakash
couple of
But I was thinking, if you're a famous guy, you know, and when you're a famous guy like that, like let's say like Amitabh Bachchan's real voice, what if it's not like, oh, man, Amitabh Bachchan, bro? And what if the real voice is like
Yeah.
really, really high or something? You know what I mean? What if people
That would be
switch?
damn.
Yeah,
It will
Akash,
destroy it. You remember
that'd
that
be
there was
hilarious.
this joke? There was
Yeah.
that one joke of that guy where he says like, if you meet God, what if like God has to have a deep voice,
Yeah.
right? Like it's never like God can't be like, hey, kya bolte?
Could God be a totla? Hey, Akash. શું કરે શું ચાલે લાઈફમાં? I mean, just by the way, he speaks Gujarati. God clearly speaks Gujarati. That we've decided before. Yeah.
Hey, he's multilingual, man. He's God or she's God.
If he doesn't speak the languages, then you think he'll speak the hybrid of French Tamil? I would like
Dude,
to know
if
that.
God didn't speak a certain language, तो जब तुम भगवान को मिलोगे and say for example he doesn't speak Gujarati, will you like do little jibes at him in Gujarati बीच में like you do with other
No,
people?
I don't know if I'll do that, but I would like to test him. So, you know, I'll one word from each language, like sayonara, whatever I can remember, you know, see if there's a response. And then I'll be ticking Japanese, German, like that throughout.
How accurate do you think God's dialect is, though? Like accent wise? Because does he practice a lot of languages? Does he not?
Silvery.
Arguably, he
You're
made it,
closing
no?
in on the north of England accent. Don't worry. Don't feel insecure. He just wants to come back to his hard work because you came and upstaged him with your freaking American accent. Now he's a little irritated. And every day we are doing the north of England way.
Yeah.
Please understand. Yeah.
Bless you, my
Hey.
child.
Yes, Gov. We're
Terrible,
doing our
sorry,
best on
it's
the podcast, Gov.
This is not-
We can't
that's
do any
not-
more.
All right, mate.
All right then.
Oh
So
my
we go
God.
on.
That's
All right. This is what the show is reduced to. Come on, next comment.
All right.
Forget his bloody voice. What happened to Amit Doshi's voice then? Because you replaced the voice with this voice. I thought Amit Doshi's
Yeah,
voice is distinct with that 3/4 American accent. I just, you
Oh.
know,
Yeah.
IBM has a podcast called Akashvani apparently, which my voice is quite apt for this.
well, Pradeep should work for us if he
Yeah.
wants to plug us all the time. You know, he does a
Yeah.
better job than marketing. Pradeep, you're hired. Akash, in your voice, please.
You're hired.
Should we do one story?
Yeah. No, we
Gautam
forgot the
Pai-
news, guys.
The critics are coming out. The critics are coming out. They wasn't going to take long.
You know,
And
Scottish-
this Gautam Pai is very clear. Every accent Silvery does, you do the Bhojpuri now. You could Silvery will be slapped by North English guys on a bike. God, remember that was a year old now, 6 months old at least.
Yeah.
When
I
we
got-
got beaten up by some bikers and all. Remember?
No, it was in October or something, man. It was like
Oh,
quite
that
recent.
close.
Yeah,
Oh.
September, October.
It's all right. Should take my pills.
Yeah.
Yeah.
All right.
It's all
Yeah,
Let's
one
do this.
story. Come on. Fast one story and back to AMAs. Because
Yeah.
comments are more fun.
So this story is out of Navi Mumbai. Okay,
Hmm.
it's very outrageous. Basically, the headline is that upscale Navi Mumbai society sends woman a bill of rupees 7 lakhs for feeding stray dogs.
Oh wow. How many
Okay.
dogs did she
It is-
feed?
Yeah. So basically, apparently, the society has launched this rule now in the society that every time you're caught feeding a dog on society in the society, you get fined rupees 1,000 for the first
They
time.
just make up their own rules. What is this nonsense?
1,000 for the first time. If you're caught a second time, it's 5,000 rupees. And so I think then it gets multiplied after that.
It's the same as when they say take out the air from the tires and all that. You know, you can't just go on doing all this crap, even though they are doing something wrong by parking the car in front of your gate or whatever. It's a
Yeah.
little too much. You know, this is kind of
I
aggressive
don't understand
behavior.
also that taking out tire air though is the most stupidest thing ever. How will you remove the
we
car if
hadn't-
you're
we
removing
hadn't
his
in our
tire?
lane that day, you know, and then people are fighting and all that. I'm saying, you know,
Yeah.
it's so unnecessary, yeah. This act of machismo and all. What is this nonsense here? You're not
Yeah.
living in the Wild West
Yeah.
that you need to do that,
Correct.
yeah. Same thing with the dog thing. The girl, she's feeding the dogs or whatever. You can't fine her. You have a civilized conversation. You go to court if you have to. But this is ridiculous.
No,
Who the hell
So
made
absolutely,
them?
right?
They're playing God. What accent do you
Yeah.
think they were using?
So this woman is not the only woman who has faced this. So this woman's name is Anshu Singh. Yeah, Anshu Singh is this woman's name.
Hi, Anshu.
There are other people. So they got 7 lakhs ka bill. She got 7 lakhs ka bill. There is another woman in the same society who got 6 lakhs. And then yet another woman of 60 years old. She says, I'm 60 years old. I go down every day to feed strays. She got a fine of 50,000 rupees. So everyone
Ridiculous.
is so stupid.
Akash is a
dude.
lawyer. We will fight this case gratis.
Between 3 people.
Yeah.
So you said 6 lakh for
13
one.
lakh,
Then how
50
much the other one?
7 lakhs, 6 lakhs, and then 50,000.
13 lakh,
because
50
13.5
grand.
लाख रुपए का
Correct,
नाश्ता दिया है कुत्तों को, ठीक है?
yeah.
According, no.
कितने कुत्ते हैं इधर? कितने कुत्ते हैं कि 3 लोग खाना खिला रहे? You understand? Firstly, there are way too many strays. The problem here is not them feeding the strays. The problem is the lack of spaying of the fucking strays. Go and cut their balls off or some shit. That's what needs to be done first, because there are too many
That's
of
what
them.
they should do. They should help with that.
Yeah.
Honestly, if they help us catch and
Yeah.
do the spaying, there's always the infrastructure is the issue, trying to get enough vans and people.
And what's wrong with a stray dog? How is a stray dog is in no way harmful to people as long as its balls are cut off and it's vaccinated.
Akash, listen to the beauty of this whole thing. For an act of human kindness, they want to find them. This is
Yeah.
but when
Yeah,
the biker's going over my child on a pavement, nobody gets fined. I'm just saying,
Yeah.
just look at the irrationality of all this. A guy spits in the from the up from his terrace in this upmarket flat or whatever, no
Yeah.
problem. Throwing the garbage, no problem. But for an act of compassion, find them.
Cyrus, this is a new India problem because new India has this Virat Kohli philosophy of control the controllables. ना तो रास्ते पे मैं कुछ बोल नहीं सकता है तो सोसाइटी वाले की गांड मारेगा मैं बेमतलब.
Firstly, he's a big dog lover, so let's leave him out of the metaphor. And secondly, I just think this is bullying nature of the building societies, which is from South Bombay to Navi Mumbai is the same. They just suddenly become like alphas and gorillas, and they want to attack everyone and find fault with everyone. This happened to the pandemic. Trust me, that's why I'm saying taking out the tires. All this behavior is not necessary. You want to come to the
Pointless.
gym and show your machismo, go run across the country or go and help people who are in bad situations and cold climates or whatever.
Yeah.
Then you can take out all this angst because there's no point doing this. The 3 old ladies you're picking on for feeding dogs.
Yeah.
Look at yourself from a perspective and see how
And
stupid that
dogs
sounds.
we've genetically forced these animals to love us. Now, the least we can do is love them back. That's what. So,
Create this urban jungle and the animals have nowhere
Yeah.
to go and the dogs are left
Yeah.
here behind.
so
Yeah.
then the least you can do is love them back. No, the least.
There's only one, as civilized people, there's only one question. Should these building society members be shot or thrown off the terrace? There are only 2 options as far as I can see.
No,
There's nothing
Cyrus,
else.
they should be
We
fined.
fined 7 lakh rupees. Yeah. Exactly.
And in that fine, what is the GST? As Badal, my guy here, would say, GST is applicable. That's if there's a song we were writing our album, the chorus line would be GST applicable. Always, it's in my ear. So that 9% and 9% is 18. Huh? Go on.
I was reading this article a few months back now, but it was basically about how having cats in your building is a good thing. Okay, because you will see lesser rodents, you will see lesser lizards and stuff. They will just, in general, it'll just seem like a cleaner society just because just by virtue of having cats.
When you're done with
Yeah.
work at the IVM studio,
Yeah,
please
yeah.
come to my house. It's up the road. I will show you a building full of cats where they don't do jack
It
shit.
makes no difference.
Where they see the
That's
rats
terrible,
walking
dude.
by and don't
Man.
do shit.
That's horrible.
It's good you're thinking like that. No, there are all positives in keeping animals around. But my whole
Yeah.
thing is that, look, we are left with this. This is the world we have now. Okay, you want to kill
Yeah.
more? You want to cull animals, cull dogs, cats, pigeons, and all. That's why I'm fighting for the pigeons also. I just don't accept it. We have to keep as
Yeah.
many animals as we can. Yeah, you keep me as a secretary of the. That's why I don't even attend the meetings, bro. Akash, you attend these meetings? Everybody wants to have their voice heard and all that. It's just a waste of time.
It's
Really?
people who are worth lakhs and crores of rupees behaving like thugs.
Yeah, and small
Yeah.
things over plants in front of the veranda and all small things they have for in our discussion. And then you go and find old ladies for dogs, or
Yeah.
shutting the gates. Shutting the gates is still driving me mad.
My
What do you
building
lock
ka
these gates
to
for, Dave? Lock the gate,
Yeah.
lock the gate, lock the gate. From who?
lock the gate.
All you're doing is the vendor when he comes is having trouble and calling us up 5 times to deliver smallest
Yeah.
parcel which I didn't want.
Yeah.
Oh God, don't start.
Too many
Anyway.
humans. We should neuter the humans first.
The building society should all be arrested for about 6 months and trained how to behave humane, because it's just ridiculously stupid. The way they treated the watchmen and the vendors and all the people. Let's not even start. The racism, the classism that was on display from 2020 has exposed urban India, Bombay, Delhi, and beyond. Don't
Yeah.
lie. You all
Yeah.
just turned your back on the people who work for you and said, now walk towards Haryana or Jharkhand and find your village. Nobody gave a damn. So that's the truth. So I think feed the stray dogs, look after the cats, even the plants if you have to. I'm not that fond
Yeah.
of plants, but try to get a plant to
big plant
fetch a
guy.
ball once. You're a big plant
Yeah.
guy? Otherwise, because you smoke it. No, that's different. You get something out of the plant, bro. So everybody's feeling certain comradeship.
No, never,
Look,
never.
Never. No, you
We don't smoke. We only drink plants.
JAIN, Jain Show. I don't want to mention it again.
Hot chocolate.
No, not allowed. I don't know. It's made in some way. It's not allowed. Sylvie, let's get the
Yes.
let's get the AMAs. Huh? Akash here, they'll all want to ask questions. Yeah.
Sure. Let's get to the AMAs.
Follow me at Instagram and Twitter on Bored Brocha. I'm so bored, I need your help. I need your love. I need your touch. Okay, just follow me.
The first one comes from Sahil Kafri. He says, Cyrus and Akash, did you expect that Ganguly would have lied about Virat being asked not to leave the T20 captaincy? Do you think he lied?
Hey, Akash, this is a very, very funny story. This whole thing, it's not been a very open, transparent thing that one is used to. Considering you're an ex-cricket captain, you're an ex-leader, you have the empathy level, I would assume, right up there with somebody else going through a bad patch with bat to some extent.
Yeah.
But from what we gather, there's no communication, which is really odd.
Yeah. I mean, I think it's kind of in coherence with the way the government also functions right now. The complaints that I get from and thankfully with Couch Pundits, we talk to so many people who are behind cricket, and the feeling I get is the same that I get from brokers or textile people anywhere in this country, which is they listen to your feedback, they listen to what you want, and then they do whatever the fuck they want, which is exactly what is happening here as well. This organization does not care about promoting cricket. It really does not. I think the whole point of BCCI
It's to do with the personality and character of the person also to some extent. In the Australian cricket tradition, maybe in the English as well, they call up, the chairman of selectors to call up and make that mean call or whatever. Have to have that conversation, say, boss, I'm dropping you and this is the reason. Boss, I'm asking you to step down from captain, this is the reason. And then after they have that call, they can allow the cricketer to then speak his mind to the press or whatever, however way he wants to put it, like I'm stepping down myself or not. So I think that doesn't seem to have happened. You can't send an email and that email, it doesn't work that way. And then that email is circulated and then, or the press gets wind of it, or Akash gets wind of it on Couch, Potato or Pandit, and then puts it up. And that literally, this is how they're getting information on whether they dropped or not in today's day and age.
And this is a constant struggle where, like, A, it's so hard to get into this team. B, genuinely, I don't know if you felt it, especially after the T20 World Cup debacle. The IPL is the only point of this anymore. That's literally why they're doing all of this. They don't give a fuck about anything else. All they care about is that 2 months in the year where IPL is going to happen. Baki ka time jo bhi ho raha hai, wo ho raha hai. Ghanta farak nahi padta hai.
For me, I'm a Virat fan on this one. Firstly, I really like him. I think he's as transparent as we've had from captains. Maybe sometimes too transparent.
I think, he's excellent. He's done everything that you expect from
him. He wears his heart on his sleeve. We wanted that all our lives because the Indian cricketers didn't tend to do that, or politicians for that matter. Now he's done that. And give him some respect, bro. For the last 5-6 years, he's led you. I mean, he's beaten Australia twice in Australia. Forget World Cup. Exactly. I don't care about bloody World Cup. Look what he's given you.
I mean, I wouldn't count the second border Gavaskar.
No, I would because it's the Shastri Virat team that's left over. It's a lot comes from him. That drive, that fearlessness, that all came from him here.
All I would say is am I against the decision of Rohit Sharma captaining T20Is? I don't think so. I think he's a way better win rate captain.
It's a great decision.
But
I think I agree with you.
But the culture around it is the problem. The culture of like, main nahi batayega, kahin aur se pata chalega, we will give you orders. There is no cohesive.
Virat's tenure as white ball captain had come to an end. He's had his chances. It wasn't working out. He wants to reinvent himself with the bat a little bit in all three forms. Fair enough. Yeah. I don't know exactly what you're saying. Rohit Sharma is the right guy because his form has not dipped. There's no question. But you got to deal with these guys with respect. This man has been the best batsman of his generation in all three forms. Actually, if you look at it, forget the last year.
His dip in form is better than most people's career averages, dude. Like, what are you saying?
Including some of the people who are
selecting.
Okay, all right, leave it.
So there's another follow-up question.
Yeah.
Oh, sorry, Akash, your mic is loud. If you could please turn down the. That's from Rishi. Not a fan of your voice, bro.
Girish Patel has asked, it's like a kind of a follow-up. He says, opinion on Virat, BCCI fiasco, and do you think Virat will be the first T20 mercenary from India retiring from international cricket and playing leagues around the world?
But
nobody can do that.
They're not giving that certificate, non-objection, the NGO. They refuse to give it. Otherwise, obviously, Yuvraj and company, everyone would have done it as they reached the end. Dhoni, everyone would have done it. Why would
Yuvraj went also, and then he went into trouble.
Big Bash will pay the most money. Yeah. Big Bash and all will pay. Bangladesh cricket has money. Sri Lanka cricket has a little money for their leagues. West Indies, Caribbean Premier League, all of them will pay. Okay, to get our big guns as they're dying. But look at the BCCI's thinking. They're keeping the golden goose inside this one jail. Okay,
no, and
so
it's
they
like
cannot leak.
Yeah,
it's a monopoly over because the stars. Yeah. When you look at the size of our country and our marketing and sponsorship, all comes from here. You keep our guys here, and they can never come close. The rest can never come close in terms of scalability. So that's it. It's a fabulous piece of monopolistic marketing or crony capitalism, whichever way you look at it.
And so the idea is basically anything but promote cricket. That is the goal.
You're
As long
promoting
as
our
you don't-
cricket, but not world cricket. That was bullshit. Nobody promotes world cricket, I guess, at the end of
And
the
then they'll say कि देखो अफगानिस्तान को स्टेडियम दे दिया, हम कितने अच्छे लोग हैं.
day. Yeah, in Dehradun, no?
In
Yeah.
Dehradun.
But also remember, if you want to promote world cricket, then China should be playing cricket. There you
Is
have
it
world cricket.
Dehradun or Lucknow? I think Lucknow Stadium.
I
they
think
did, no?
maybe they moved to Lucknow now. Yeah, first it was Dehradun. They play
Yeah.
the matches there.
So I
Oh.
mean, this overall, I would say, as a closing to this, I just think I think there's a clear priority issue and there's a clear style of management issue, which is not just in this organization; it's in a lot of organizations.
Absolutely, it's with
So-
us the way in MTV everywhere.
Yeah.
Nobody wants to bell the cat. What is the right word?
Yeah.
Catch the bull by the horns. Nobody
Yeah.
wants to do that. They want to just this bureaucracy system is the best. कि मैं email भेजूं और फिर उसके बाद it will reach you through some seventh cousin and then
Yeah.
the information is filtered down. It's all
Yeah.
bull, yeah. The guy is one of your greatest. Show him respect. Call him up and say, bro,
Yeah.
you had your turn. Lot of respect
Yeah.
for what you've done, but it's not working. I want to move
Yeah.
to someone else because I'm accountable as the chairman of selectors.
Yeah.
Everyone is accountable. In IPL, you got to hand them one thing. In IPL, they're ruthless. IPL teams have been ruthless. They are not holding on to anyone. They're ruthless. And in a sense, that is the way to go. But once everybody knows and you can be on the same sheet with everyone else and understand that, I think it's great. Akash,
Yeah,
promise me
yeah.
in comedy, as you become the greatest comedian of all time, you will, when you drop the fellow comedians, let's say Silvery, you drop him from the Comedy Premier League, you will tell him yourself and not call Amit Doshi and say, side mein, baad mein, text de do unko, that kind of thing.
I completely am on board for this, but I don't think I'll ever get a
Let's
comedy.
practice now only, Akash. Can you fire Silvery? I want to see you do it if you have the guts to be confrontational.
If I have the Silvery,
And can
I can fire Silvery. I can fire you
Hey, I
also.
don't care
Cyrus.
about this job. You
But
can
in the
fire
nice-
me.
in the-
I don't give a shit.
me in the nice voice, Silvery in the other voice.
Okay, I'll fire Cyrus. It's been a great run. I think it's been one
Okay.
of the best podcasts this country has seen. But good things have to come to an end. So what I'm gonna do is, no, Cyrus, don't cry. Listen, what I'm gonna do is, I'm gonna send you a letter. We're gonna give you a recompensation packet, and we're gonna send you a rope in case you want to do what?
But
Yeah.
it will carry my 85 kilo frame, no? I don't want later ki rope toot gaya beech mein and all that. It's very
I
embarrassing.
meant it more if you want to tie up Antriksh and beat him.
Can you try it on Tanmay Bhatt first? And if he doesn't survive, then can you use the same rope, please?
No, it's not to hang yourself, Cyrus. Stop being
Then-
negative. It's to tie up Antriksh and beat him with a stick.
Oh, I thought
Damn
it's
it.
made of weed.
I lost my
I
job.
thought it's made of weed. He wants me to smoke.
Now, Antriksh, as for you, fuck off.
Akash. Hey,
Antriksh,
this one-
you're beat up. I don't need you anymore. Get lost.
Gautam says if Cyrus gets fired, we'll finally go be on one topic per podcast. That's true.
The fact that you're listening anyway is proof that Cyrus shouldn't go.
Now it's too late. Now after firing me, you can't take me back. This is very again Indian style. After they fire, they call back and say, "Papa, kaise hai?" Okay.
Okay, next question.
Yeah. Call Cyrus Saukar.
No, please go ahead.
Saukar will never be on time. Your 10 o'clock show will become 11:30. Audience will change. But coming back to Akash, even when we do ads and audition for things and all that, they never do the callback system really. When they want you, they call you a lot, right? They find you wherever you are. But
Yeah.
post that, all three of us are victims of this. Nobody calls you back. It's very rare they call back. It's like nahi mila kaam.
Yeah.
Nahi ho paega because we've got X in mind and all that. No one has the decency to
But
do that.
it has gotten better. They start
Where?
sending
Where do they
text.
call you?
At least I've had it the last few times. Whenever I've not made it past the
PPM.
the shortlisting. Yeah. They send a message saying, "Okay, sorry, you can release your dates. We're going at."
So that's at least something.
At least something.
But that means because they respect you. I don't get it.
No, but comics also generally lean in on that. Like for me, whenever I get an inquiry, the first thing is, listen, if this is the date, I'm soft, like I'm penciling the date. So you better tell me whether it's not happening or whatever. That's always like a stuff. But don't you feel like the casting guys they fuck with me a lot? Like it's always like you give the take and
Send
they're
the
like,
video
wow,
and all,
what a
yeah.
take. Oh my God, wow.
Yeah.
You are amazing at this job. Wow. And then you don't get it. And you're like, what the fuck happened, dude? Was everyone this amazing?
How much did they act for the next guy? Yeah.
Yeah.
No, because
Like, how
the
much
other
they,
technique is they
mind-
always take the
Oh.
Silvery, they take the dates first. Like you've got the
Yeah.
job. They also take the date. Available to hai na? Available to hai na? Available to hai na? You get the job. We are available and we remain available. The job doesn't happen. It's ridiculous.
Yeah.
Chalo, we can't change the world.
Chalo.
I give up. Next.
Next one comes in from Shavik Bakshi. This is a very interesting question. He says, came home sloshed last night. Parents
Wow.
got to know about it. Mom is mad AF. Cyrus, please give tips as you came home drunk as a young guy many a times.
See, I had one partner.
Be Parsi.
No, and exactly one partner in crime. My father was very calm about all this, and while my mother used to get very upset. So I had that 150% balance that was happening in any case. He was always saying, it's not a big deal, let it be. What's the big deal? And mostly, my misbehaving drunk happened much later. I would just be singing and taking off my shirt, so it didn't harm anyone in the first, say, 5-10 years of drinking. The fighting and falling and all the incidents and jail and all that happened later. So by then, of course, they were all worried because at 46 and all, you can't bail out your son. It's not right. But my tip is that if you're very drunk, can you stay in the house of somebody else where there are no parents? Because this
Yeah.
is not a site that's enjoyable for adults or strangers or people in your building. So it's a little bit avoidable when you're very drunk. If you're medium drunk and your friends will tell you you're medium drunk, they can drop you and you're sort of okay to go home. But if you reach the point where you can't remember what you're doing and you're literally falling and all that, I think just stay in a pal's house, sleep it off. There must be one pal whose house is easily accessible, and after even 3-4 hours sleep, you'll be okay to go back. And in a medium drunk situation, Shavik, learn from me. Don't put your parents in a position to not like you, because parents really like their own children. Remember, that's the parent who picks up the child's poop and says, "Look, he has done poop." When you're a baby, so that's how much they like you. So when you reach this end and misbehave and become obnoxious, it can become too much. My poor mother, I aged her. She's only 62 and now 80 just because of my drinking.
Baapre.
Akash, boy, do you have any tips for drinking? Do you misbehave around your parents? I mean, like coming back home?
No, no. I don't generally also drink and misbehave. I'm more the drink and go to sleep kind of guy.
You write a really sad song and people will just walk away. You don't do anything more than that.
Yeah.
But I'm a bit of a
I'd
hyper
most-
guy, so I think hyper people don't get into this. If you get more hyper, nobody likes you.
I used to come home so late that they would be asleep and then just quietly, yeah.
Yeah, exactly. You just go straight into your room, make no whatever. Don't talk to anyone.
No, but that's
Hopefully,
medium drunk. Simply that's medium drunk. So you're okay, even if you meet them for a second, they know you're drunk, but you're not out of control. Out of control where you're falling, where you're vomiting, you're
I
slurring.
mean, no,
fully, you can't come-
that hasn't happened. You don't come
you
home,
know.
man. If you're in that condition, you just don't come home, dude. Just stay with a friend.
That's
Yeah,
what
absolutely.
I'm saying. So that he says he's completely sloshed. So I'm
No,
thinking
yeah.
he's in an embarrassing
Hmm.
state. Not medium state is
Yeah.
okay, yaar. What is
That's
the
true.
worst thing? They've all been young ones.
Yeah,
Yeah,
correct.
top of the
This
car,
is
top
so
of the car
funny.
with my Elvis
Yeah,
tie,
yeah.
with my Elvis tie, stand out.
Father found, next day or something.
Saw the Elvis tie. He didn't look up at the car. My German Shepherd found me and the tie. He saw the tie and then he looked up. The tie was on the side of the side mirror ka thing. The tie was put there. I don't know how it got there. Yeah.
Okay, next one.
I made sure Elvis was taken care of. Yeah, go on.
Okay, sure. Next one comes from Rohan Jacob. He says, Akash, what happened to the Akash and Friends podcast? One of the best podcasts out there. Loved the Neville and KV episodes.
Hey, thanks.
Also,
man.
another person has asked, when is the Khan Masti episode coming out? If you are.
Right.
And actually, this is a dynamite cast. Neville, KV, and Akash together.
No.
We
It's
should-
one-on-one.
Oh, it's one-on-one.
Yeah.
No, Neville and Akash one episode, KV and Akash. one
Cyrus,
episode,
we
yeah.
shot one in your office. You remember?
Yeah.
With Neville?
Correct.
With you.
No, with you and Akash, Cyrus.
Oh, right. We did one. That's right. That's right.
Yeah.
But that's your podcast.
That's
I
what
don't
I'm
know.
talking about.
No,
I'm
that
so
only.
sorry. I've done too many podcasts. I can't remember anything. Please.
Cyrus doesn't pay attention, man. What is this? Cyrus is just not paying attention. Sorry.
Yeah, it took us so long to organize that one podcast. Yeah.
So
But
basically,
I like this cast. I would cast these three people in a podcast. It'll be fun.
Absolutely.
Neville
yeah.
is hilarious.
Yeah.
Huh?
Yeah.
Akash
All
is
three of
crazy, and KV's got another whole sting to his tail. Be fun.
Yeah.
Let's get them on our show, on an IVM show, but we'll have to pay them. These guys are all bloody mercenaries. In other words, they're like prostitutes in that sense. They prostitute themselves for comedy. I hate that.
not
That's
so
one
much
horrible
me,
quality.
but yeah.
Not you. You're beautiful. You're the apple of my eye, Baba. But those two bastards, those dirty, lecherous men.
I was gonna say prostitute implies I get paid for all this. But okay, sure.
No, that's a prostitute with class. You have to understand on this podcast, no glass. Sorry, Baba. Can't help. Glass is half
But-
empty.
But yeah, Akash, please go ahead. The Akash and Friends podcast.
There's one episode with somebody I you can guess who it is, and it's controversial.
I want to interrupt now. So
Oh,
that means
okay,
they
go
love the Neville and KV episode. They didn't love our episode on our podcast. Again, the lack of respect. Sylvie, are you reading this? I mean, shouldn't they have said, I love the Neville and KV and Cyrus episode just out of, courtesy? Rohan.
I actually saw your entire episode, Cyrus. It was a very good episode.
Thanks,
It was
Silvery.
very,
I
very
thought
good.
it was one of the best. You were so honest
Yeah.
about stuff,
You're very nice. Yeah. Very
and you
nice.
didn't interrupt also as much.
North of England way and just tell me about how much you liked it.
It was
Huh?
the best podcast with Akash Mehta and Cyrus Brocha. It was the
I
best.
want some listenership from Lancashire, Yorkshire, Liverpool. We got to get some
Yeah.
listenership.
Scotland.
Some
Yeah.
It
desi
was,
guy raised there the proper accent. Just to, every time gets into the podcast the moment you start.
But yeah, so there's one episode with somebody which I cannot release right now. We're waiting to release that. Khan Masti.
Who?
I mean,
Munawar,
you know
yaar.
Cyrus.
Who else?
Yeah, who else? Yeah.
Munawar Faruqi, the controversial
so I'm
Faruqi.
just
He's done a
waiting.
podcast with him.
I'm
Like he
Oh,
goes
nice.
on
Yeah.
Akash's podcast, damn it.
so this was way back. We recorded it. Now we are
Delivery, that'll be
release.
That's your
Okay.
fault now because then he went to Akash happily and he doesn't take your call. What does that mean, bro?
No, Akash is saying he recorded it a while back.
Yeah. Lately, he's been thoda MIA, no?
Is it because your parents are BJP supporters
No.
and he's worried? Not your parents. Antriksh, the silver.
Cyril and Jose post Christmas will record. So by Jan, I think AMF should be back on track. So should the vlogs, by the way. The vlogs, more specifically, that I used to make. They will also come back by Jan, Feb.
I'm still upset
But
about
right-
Munawar coming on our show. Silver, you don't give me any answer. He
But,
ran to Akash.
Yeah, I know.
No, I think
I'm very pissed off.
he's the one who
But
gets.
I think he's actually keeping
It's
low.
the voice. The voice makes the difference. He
yeah.
just picked up and said Munawar. And Munawar said, Hanji.
Yeah.
And came there immediately. You called up and we got nothing. You did the North of England accent again, did you? Don't do that accent, yaar. Why did you do that? Munawar?
Yeah.
No.
Might.
Yeah, no. The
Hey,
thing is, I was
uh,
just wearing orange on the video call, and I think he just he's
There
like,
you go.
Let's not.
There you go.
Not do anything. Yeah.
That's on the
Stop
line. of
wearing
being-
orange.
Yeah, really.
Stop
I know, I know.
just stop video calling people. Just like
Yeah,
voice
that
call.
also.
Yeah.
Yeah, damn it.
Hey,
I should
but
have done that.
Stokes is bowling, so feels good to see that happening.
Until his hamstring goes, don't worry. These buggers
Yeah.
are overpaid anyway. Coming back to the Akash and friends. You said you'll restart in Jan.
Yeah. Jan. To answer the question, Jan tak aayingi cheezein.
But lots of things in the next year. Probably too early to talk about. You have a reality show. You got a tour coming up. Lots of things already panned out for.
Oh yeah, I'm.
Your planning
I'm
is
gonna-
better than our government's at the moment.
The idea is to die
Right.
working.
Then you have to be Munawar. Oh, sorry. I don't mean anything by that. No, sorry. I'm kidding. Sorry.
For sake of the joke, though, I must say right now it's more of him dying because they won't let him work. But sure.
That's starvation. They're two different dyings. Yeah. Come on. Next one. Last one.
Yeah, so the last two, because they're both
Last
kind
two.
of connected, but from
Okay,
two
done. I
different
knew I have to
people.
go to Aram Nagar. My life is
Yeah.
over.
Sure. This the first of the last two, it comes from Apurva Rajpurohit. He says, Cyrus, I need a work-related advice from you. Could you please let me know if one should work only to earn money with no interest, or one should work where their interest lies in for no money? So that's the first part of the question. And second one, I'll
Why
get
so
to.
negative? It's ridiculous. We just
Yeah,
think.
I'm telling you, it's fucking binary. The world is binary now. There's no scope for grays.
I'll put it this way: if you're earning a lot of money doing something you don't like, just do it. There's no harm because you'll end up doing something you like through the money you make. So I would be happy if they paid me crores of rupees to go deep sea diving and find oil or something. I'd do it happily in a heartbeat because I get the weekends off to do what I really like to do, which is scratch. So I don't know. So when people say live your passion and all that, it's great, but it doesn't work out like that. Like maybe he likes the music more than he likes comedy. We never know.
Yeah, I do, and I would never do it as a job. That's the point, though, right? Like you don't
Yeah.
have to convert your. You're not like don't listen to Imtiaz Ali. You don't have to make your job your passion and your passion your job. They can coexist.
That's why I like people who are basically corrupt because corruption is their passion. So they're safe,
Yeah.
because you should pursue that at any point. But Apurva, I think don't sell yourself short. You'll be surprised at how good you can be at anything, and then maybe that'll be
Yeah.
your passion also. So don't overdo this whole passion thing. Both passion is good though. Yes, Bruce Wayne, Apurva, Cyrus, here's the money interest. Kuch seekho.
Kuch seekho.
Bruce Wayne, you will answer all of the questions henceforth.
Henceforth.
Bruce Wayne has another question, which was the follow-up question I want to ask. This is he says Bruce Wayne says, I have been a professional wildlife photographer for 5 years. I have traveled 102 countries, but the job gives me no joy. My true passion is engineering. How do you pursue it and get parents' support? This is almost looks like a false question.
Yeah, it sounds like a parody. It's a parody. It's a
Parody, yeah.
They will no.
Yeah.
I will answer it anyway. I think they will never support you for this fool buggery that you want to do. This engineering bullshit that you are trying to throw at us as a.
क्या नौकरी मिल गया engineering के साथ?
You think it's a real job?
Who's a successful
You think-
engineer?
What are you gonna go to Wipro? Huh? What do you expect?
Or the next startup which makes billions? Bullshit. It's over. Startup revolution is over.
तो क्या चुपचाप लेंस पे थुक के साफ कर.
Absolutely. And you don't have to travel also.
Bruce
In
Wayne.
South Mumbai, I'll show you wildlife. You don't have to go anywhere. We have everything.
Also, how will you get your parents support, Bruce, when they're dead? They died in a robbery when you were a kid.
Yeah.
What
Correct.
the fuck is
Very
wrong
true.
with you?
Yeah.
Stop doing those drugs. Why you had
And-
all that?
I would like to speak to Alfred at this point. Some
Yeah.
action has
Yeah.
to be taken
You're
to
doing
help
a
this
very
guy.
bad job, Alfred. Yeah. This
We will
guy's,
fine
to
you
come
5
together.
lakh rupees
You know,
for
and a
feeding.
Batmobile. Driving
the
while,
fact that
while
we are
drunk.
enjoying the show instead of working, how passionate we are about the job. Nice. Nice.
No, I think no matter how passionate
it.
you are about your job, occasionally you will slack off, man. That happens to the best of us.
And Akash, why lie to yourself, right? There's nobody in the world who's 100% on 24 hours a day, 7 days a week,
Yeah.
on the laptop, in sales, in the corporate world. I mean, come on, what the hell?
Yeah.
I say if you're going to look at a little porn from time to time, that's fine. I mean,
Yeah.
whatever is your fancy. Silvery, you like only porn with North England accents for some reason. Take us through
Yeah,
that.
correct.
Hmm?
Hey, look at this big meat piece.
What? There's a meat piece in it.
Akash, fire him. Fire him.
That's
You're fired.
John Lennon will come back from his grave and kill Silvery for his accent.
The question
Yes, I
is, when he
would.
comes back, will he become a photographer or an engineer?
Yeah.
Engineer to impress his parents. Impress
Yeah.
his-
But before we go, I want to ask Akash one last thing because I don't think we'll get him now. We're not going to be there in the last week apparently. What's the New Year plan? RT-PCR and all.
Oh, I'm driving down to the Konkan and spending some time alone.
Oh, wow.
What?
Yeah, it's been a very heavy year, man. It's been a lot of things, constantly surrounded by people. So just gonna take a few days to myself and chill.
But swear on your mother, you're going alone means there's no socialization whatsoever.
I'll drive down and it's so like I only got 4 days off. So like
Will you be doing shows there during that
That's
time?
my-
For 4 days, you're isolated. You there's nobody.
ideally.
Will you be doing shows
You
there
may,
though?
you may meet
during that
someone,
No,
but,
no.
but there's nobody planned.
time? No?
No. I'll just drive, man. I'll just drive down till Dapoli or till Ganpati Phule. Just take the jetty from Alibag and so on, and and then just go and
Basically,
come back.
you try to do this during post of the Boxing Day test match, India's test match as well. So there's 2 test
Basically,
matches.
sit and watch. Yeah, Boxing Day.
And then
wala
you got a
baith
3-day
ke-
break before both the test matches start again in the various
Yeah.
countries. So you got
Yeah,
a 3-day. I get your point. Fair enough.
Yeah.
With the pressure
So-
of these high intensity, the best 4 teams playing in a sense.
Yeah.
Leave New Zealand out for a bit.
Exactly.
Yeah.
And I'm around people a lot, man, all year. So like I just felt like it's
You don't have
good
to
to
tell
be
me.
alone.
People are horrible. You don't have to ever mention about people.
Yeah.
To escape people is a beautiful thing. Look at what they did to
Yeah.
3 old women feeding strays. These are the people.
Yeah.
People should be littered across the coast and left alone. As far
They
as I'm
are.
concerned. Take them in your cab
That's the
and just
Konkan.
drop them That's the reception you're getting. Yeah. All right.
But hey,
wish
hey,
me
but
luck.
if you all are watching and if you're in Hyderabad, Bangalore, Ahmedabad or Baroda, I'm performing till this weekend, next weekend as well. So please buy a ticket if you want it. It's on my Instagram, Kuch Bhi Mehta. Or just go to Book My Show and look for my name. There are a lot of shows.
And just see this. I like his coffee song. In 2020, I did ask him in case we have it on Spotify. But now knowing he did an album, it's great. Happy for you, man.
Thanks,
got,
man.
Can I tell you, and I mean this with real vicious malice, you have got more fans on my podcast than we have. And that is not fun. It is not fun. But I will still wish you Happy New Year out of habit. And we'll hope
Arey,
to
but
see you next time.
you're the sun, man. I'm just the moon, borrowing some light,
The word for me is the second half of parachute. Poetic license. Bolo, jaldi bolo. Aur haath upar
Yeah.
karke bolo na. You always play with yourself while talking, yeah. I'm very uncomfortable. My mother watches. And your mother.
Yeah, he does that
Two
thing
mothers.
with the
My
tip of his
Yeah,
finger.
but what is he doing? But both hands are
Okay.
between his legs. I can tell you that. Now,
Yeah.
what he's doing, I can't tell you.
No, the
Rishabh
second
Baroda
is
says, I'm
it's
your
like on
fan.
the
There.
table.
One fan.
Yeah, that's what. We are the fans. Of
I have 10
science.
fingers, lots to go. Bolo, Silvery, what are you doing?
No, just want to remind listeners to please hit like on the video and
Yeah,
subscribe
what are you all
to the channel.
doing? Hit
Yeah.
like
Please.
And how do we get your tickets on the weekend for your show?
on
Fast.
the Book My Show, bookmyshow.com.
Bookmyshow.com.
Just look for my name
Bookmyshow.com.
or just Kuch Bhi Mehta on Instagram. You will find everything you need right
And remember, you can go to his show and discuss our podcast. He's free and happy to do that in the second half of his show. He likes
I
to take
shall.
questions. So it'll be great. All right.
there. You know it.
What else can we do now? How do we push this damn show? Now the only thing left is we go to UP during the elections. Sylvie, are you game?
Or I was gonna start a strip dancing section. I heard sex sells.
Looking at the three of us, honestly, is that what you've come up with? Why didn't you do
Yeah.
engineering, young man? You should have done engineering. You wasted your life. Chalo. Bye, guys. I'm going to Aram Nagar in a couple of hours and I'm already feeling depressed. I have to find it
Oh, man.
firstly. How can you call something Aram Nagar when there's nothing but non-Aram waiting for you? Bye, ladies. Have a good one.
Thank you for having me, guys. See you.
Pleasure.
Okay, catch us on any of the podcasting apps. Please, we beg you, we need you. Send us your questions on Twitter on Cyrus Says In. Or you can email us, even if you're not female, on whatcyrussays@gmail.com.
Given the unprecedented times our nation is going through, where positive is now a dreaded word, Smile India gets you delightful news from across the country about people and places that continue to spread the much-needed hope and positive vibes. I am Shifa Maitra, and you can hear Smile India with me every Thursday on the IVM app, website, or wherever you get your podcasts from. Oh, and did I tell you Smile India is available in both English and Hindi.
If you're a cricket fan, check out Edges and Sledges, India's favorite cricket podcast.
The podcast focuses on Indian cricket, the IPL, and has a ton of banter both on and off the field.
We talk about the week's biggest cricket stories with current and ex-international cricketers, coaches, or sometimes just between us.
And it's hosted by me, DJ.
Me, Varun.
And me, Ashwin.
New episodes release every week.
You can catch us on the IVM Podcast's website, app,
or wherever you get your podcasts from.
Check out the Edges and Sledges Cricket Podcast.